Your body will fall out of balance if you're missing this mineral. Have you ever felt constantly tired, unable to sleep well, or had sudden muscle cramps for no clear reason? Maybe your heart races out of nowhere, or your eyelid twitches repeatedly. Yet when you go for a medical checkup, your doctor says everything looks fine. But deep down, you know something isn't right. And here's the surprising truth. The cause might simply be a deficiency in magnesium, one of the most underestimated minerals in the human body. Magnesium may be small in size, but it plays an extraordinarily big role. It's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions inside you, from your brain and heart to your muscles, nerves, and even your sleep. Every part of your body depends on it. When your magnesium levels drop, your body starts sending subtle distress signals. Fatigue, restlessness, cramps, anxiety, irregular heartbeat. It's like the entire system begins to lose its rhythm, quietly, gradually, but powerfully. The role of magnesium, the hidden current of life. Magnesium is not just a mineral. It's a foundation of vitality. It helps regulate your heartbeat, supports normal blood pressure, relaxes muscles, calms the nervous system, and improves the quality of your sleep. You can imagine magnesium as an invisible current of energy flowing through every cell. When this current weakens, the body's internal communication breaks down. Nerve signals misfire, muscles tighten, and the brain loses its sense of calm. Sometimes, all it takes is a single missing link, a lack of magnesium, and your entire balance begins to unravel. What's even more shocking is that 60 to 70% of people worldwide are magnesium deficient without realizing it. It's especially common among older adults, people with diabetes or hypertension, and those under chronic stress, or who drink too much coffee or alcohol. In short, it's a silent deficiency affecting millions. Signs your body is crying out for magnesium. Let's explore the most common signs your body might be lacking this vital mineral. Part 1. Muscle cramps, twitching, and eyelid spasms. If you often experience leg cramps at night, small twitches in your eyelids, or tight muscles during exercise, that's a clear message from your body. When magnesium levels are low, your muscle fibers become overly sensitive, reacting even to minor nerve signals. The result? Sudden cramps, muscle tightness, and uncontrolled spasms. At first, it's annoying, but over time it can lead to chronic muscle pain, neck stiffness, and fatigue that no massage can fully fix. Part 2. Fatigue and lack of energy. Even when you rest enough, do you ever wake up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? That's because magnesium plays a crucial role in producing ATP, your body's main source of energy. Without enough magnesium, your cells can't efficiently convert food into usable power. Your body becomes like a phone constantly running on 10% battery. Everything slows down, and you feel drained, sluggish, and unmotivated. No matter how much you sleep, your energy never fully recharges. If you find this video useful, please click like, also follow our channel, and turn on the notification bell. This way, you'll stay updated and gain valuable knowledge from Dr. Khiem-san's insights. Part 3. Restless sleep, insomnia, and early waking. Magnesium is one of the body's most natural relaxants. It helps calm your nervous system, reduce stress hormones, and stimulate the release of melatonin, the hormone that guides you into deep sleep. When you're deficient, it becomes harder to fall asleep. Or worse, you fall asleep easily but wake up several times during the night. Your mind stays alert even when your body wants to rest. Over time, this leads to chronic insomnia, morning fatigue, irritability, and even emotional burnout. Part 4. Heart palpitations and irregular rhythm. Your heart is a muscle, and like any muscle, it needs magnesium to function properly. Every single heartbeat relies on the delicate balance between magnesium, calcium, and potassium. When magnesium is low, this balance is disrupted, leading to irregular electrical signals in the heart. That's when you may feel fluttering, pounding, or skipping beats. It can be especially noticeable during times of stress, anxiety, or exhaustion. Ignoring this sign can increase the risk of arrhythmia or high blood pressure in the long run. Part 5. High blood pressure, tension, and irritability. Magnesium acts as a natural vasodilator, helping blood vessels relax and maintain smooth circulation. It also supports healthy stress responses by calming overactive nerves. Without enough magnesium, your blood vessels constrict, your heart works harder, blood pressure rises, and your body enters a constant fight or flight mode. You become more tense, anxious, short-tempered, and mentally overwhelmed. This is why people who are always under stress or pressure often have lower magnesium levels. They're burning through it faster than their body can replace it. Part 6. Constipation and digestive discomfort. Healthy digestion depends on rhythm, a wave-like movement that pushes food through the intestines. Magnesium keeps those muscles working smoothly while drawing water into the colon to soften stool. Without enough, that rhythm slows down. You might experience constipation, bloating, gas, or irregular bowel movements. That's why many natural laxatives contain magnesium citrate. It restores that natural, gentle flow. Part 7. Tingling, numbness, or pins and needles sensation. If you've ever felt a tingling or prickling sensation in your hands, feet, or around your mouth, it could be more than poor circulation. It could be low magnesium. This happens when nerve communication weakens, causing misfired signals that your brain interprets as numbness or tingling. Left unaddressed, chronic magnesium deficiency may even lead to peripheral neuropathy, especially in older adults and those with diabetes. Part 8. Anxiety, mild depression, and difficulty focusing. One of the most overlooked roles of magnesium is its effect on mental health. It helps regulate the release of serotonin, the neurotransmitter that controls mood, happiness, and relaxation. When you're deficient, your brain becomes more sensitive to stress. You might feel anxious for no reason, emotionally heavy, easily irritated, or unable to concentrate. Magnesium deficiency has even been linked to mild depression and brain fog, that feeling when you just can't think clearly. The best natural sources of magnesium. The wonderful thing is, you can easily replenish your magnesium stores through natural foods. Here are the richest and healthiest sources. Part 1. Dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, amaranth, water spinach, and similar greens are packed with chlorophyll, and at the very center of every chlorophyll molecule sits magnesium. So when you eat leafy greens, you're literally fueling your body with the essence of green energy. A simple bowl of sautéed or steamed greens each day can make a world of difference to your energy and mood. Part 2. Nuts and legumes. Almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, soybeans, black beans, lentils, and chickpeas. These little powerhouses are full of magnesium, protein, and healthy fats. Just one small handful of almonds, about 30 grams, provides around 80 milligrams of magnesium, roughly 20% of your daily requirement. They're perfect as a snack or sprinkled over breakfast oatmeal for a healthy boost. Part 3. Fruits. Bananas, avocados, figs, oranges, apples, and raspberries are rich in magnesium and also high in potassium, fiber, and antioxidants. They support both heart and brain function while balancing your body's fluids naturally. Avocados in particular offer a powerful combination of magnesium plus good fats, making them an ideal food for brain health. Part 4. Whole grains. Oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole grain bread are excellent sources of magnesium, especially when minimally processed. Refined grains lose most of their minerals, so the less polished, the better. Try starting your day with oatmeal topped with nuts, chia seeds, and a banana. It's one of the simplest magnesium-rich breakfasts you can make. Part 5. Fatty fish and seafood. Fish like mackerel, salmon, sardines, shrimp, and clams provide magnesium along with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation and protecting your heart. Eating fish 2 or 3 times a week helps nourish both your body and your brain. Part 6. Dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate can be healthy. The darker, the better. Ideally over 70% cacao. High-quality dark chocolate is loaded with magnesium, antioxidants, and natural compounds that improve blood flow and elevate mood. Just one small piece a day can bring both joy and nutrition. How to supplement smartly. If you're not getting enough magnesium from food, supplements can help. The best absorbed forms are magnesium glycinate, gentle on the stomach and helps with relaxation and better sleep. Magnesium citrate supports digestion and relieves constipation. Magnesium threonate crosses the blood-brain barrier to enhance memory, learning, and focus. Recommended daily intake: men around 400 milligrams per day, women around 320 milligrams per day. But if you have kidney, heart, or chronic health conditions, always consult your doctor before starting supplements. Pack conclusion, the energy within you. Magnesium isn't just another nutrient you take. It's a silent force of balance that keeps your body running in harmony. It powers your heartbeats, calms your nerves, fuels your cells, and helps your mind rest in peace at night. Without it, even the strongest body can lose its rhythm. But when you restore it, you'll feel a wave of vitality, calmness, and focus return, like your system finally clicks back into place. So take care of this little mineral every day through food, rest, and self-awareness. Because when your body has enough magnesium, your heart beats easier, your mind grows quieter, and your life flows smoother. Nourish yourself, recharge your energy, live with balance. If you find this video to be useful, please like it now. Please subscribe to Thrive 50 Wellness and turn on your notifications every single day. Learn how to live well, healthy, and beautifully.